Why do some 80-year-olds climb mountains while others struggle with stairs? It's a question that has fascinated scientists for decades. Recently, Japanese researchers studying active centenarians, people living vibrant lives past 100, discovered 7 common foods in their diets. The number 1 food on their list contains a protein profile that supports muscle maintenance better than some supplements costing $50 a bottle. And the best part? It's probably in your fridge right now. But here's what surprised scientists the most. It's not just what you eat, but when and how you prepare it that makes all the difference. As we get older, we all experience some age-related muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging, but we can significantly slow it down. And our legs? They're the foundation of our independence. Strong legs help us walk, climb, and stay steady on our feet, preventing dangerous falls. Nutrition plays a massive role in preserving that strength. Now a quick disclaimer. These foods are part of a balanced diet and support overall health. Always talk to your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. All right, let's dive into the 7 science-backed foods that support leg strength. Coming in at number 7 is spinach. This isn't just about Popeye. The science is real. Spinach is packed with natural nitrates. Research from the Karolinska Institute shows these nitrates help our muscles use energy more efficiently. But how you cook it matters. The key is to lightly steam it for just 3 to 5 minutes. This preserves the nutrients far better than boiling or eating it raw. For an extra boost, squeeze some lemon juice over it. The vitamin C helps your body absorb the iron in the spinach. Aim for 1 to 2 cups, 3 times a week. Next up, at number 6, we have fatty fish like salmon or, my personal favorite budget-friendly option, sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for reducing the low-grade inflammation that can break down muscle tissue as we age. The combination of high-quality protein and omega-3s is a powerhouse for seniors. A simple trick is to choose canned sardines packed in olive oil and add a splash of apple cider vinegar. This helps your body absorb the calcium from the tiny, edible bones. Try to get 2 or 3 servings in per week. A simple sardine toast is a great way to do it. At number 5, we have Greek yogurt, but with a specific strategy, eating it before bed. Greek yogurt is full of casein, a slow-release protein. This means it delivers a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles overnight, helping them repair and rebuild while you sleep. When you're at the store, look for brands with at least 15 grams of protein and less than 8 grams of sugar per serving. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, take a bowl and supercharge it by adding ground flaxseed, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a few walnuts for healthy fats. Now for food number 4, which has a unique property when you cook it a certain way, the humble sweet potato. These are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which our bodies use to refill the energy stores in our muscles, called glycogen. They're also packed with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, a key nutrient for protein synthesis. The best way to cook them is to roast them. Slice them up and roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes to preserve their nutrients. Here's an advanced trick. Let them cool completely in the fridge and then reheat them. This process creates resistant starch, a type of fiber that's great for your gut health. Enjoy 1 medium sweet potato 3 or 4 times a week. Moving on to number 3, beet juice. Beets are another incredible source of natural nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles. Research has shown that beet juice can reduce the energy cost of movement by 10 to 12%. That means your muscles don't have to work as hard, giving you more endurance. For the best results, make your own. Store-bought juices are often pasteurized, which can destroy the delicate nitrates. A simple recipe is to juice 2 beets, 1 apple for sweetness, and a knob of ginger for a little kick. For maximum benefit, drink it about 90 minutes before any activity, like a walk or gardening. And don't be alarmed if it changes the color of your urine or stool. That is completely harmless. Now we're getting to the heavy hitters. At number 2 is quinoa. Many plant-based foods are incomplete proteins, but quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's particularly high in lysine, an amino acid crucial for muscle repair. It also provides magnesium, which helps with muscle contractions and prevents cramping. But here is the preparation mistake that destroys 70% of the benefits of many grains: not rinsing. Quinoa has a natural coating called saponin that can taste bitter and block nutrient absorption, so always rinse it thoroughly. For a flavor and collagen boost, cook it in bone broth instead of water. After it's cooked, you can stir in some hemp seeds for extra protein. A cup of cooked quinoa 3 to 4 times a week is a fantastic addition to your diet. And finally, the #1 food for supporting leg strength after 60, whole eggs. Eggs have the highest quality protein you can eat, with a biological value of 100. They are packed with leucine, the amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle protein synthesis. But don't just eat the whites. The yolk is a treasure trove of nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which is vital for the communication between your nerves and muscles. Research shows that whole eggs are significantly better for muscle building than egg whites alone. The best way to prepare them is soft-boiled or poached to preserve the delicate nutrients in the yolk, and combining just 2 of these foods, like eggs with a side of steamed spinach, creates a powerful synergistic effect. Aim for 2 to 3 eggs within an hour of waking up. If you have cholesterol concerns, definitely discuss this with your doctor first. So how do you put this all into practice? Don't get overwhelmed. For the first 2 weeks, just focus on adding eggs for breakfast and Greek yogurt as an evening snack. In weeks 3 and 4, introduce steamed spinach and roasted sweet potatoes. After that, start incorporating fatty fish, quinoa, and beet juice. A sample day might look like this: eggs with veggies for breakfast, a quinoa bowl with sardines for lunch, and a sweet potato with spinach for dinner, with your Greek yogurt snack before bed. And remember, drink plenty of water to help your body absorb all these wonderful nutrients. Of course, these foods work best when combined with exercise, even just light walking. Building muscle takes time, so be patient. You should start to notice gradual improvements over 8 to 12 weeks. Everyone's needs are different, so it's essential to talk to your doctor, especially if you're on blood thinners, have kidney disease, or are managing diabetes or cholesterol. In the end, no single food is magic. It's the combination of these 7 foods, along with movement, rest, and medical guidance, that creates a powerful strategy for health. You might not be running marathons at 90, but you can absolutely maintain the strength and independence to live a full, active life. My challenge to you is to start with just 1 food this week. Notice how you feel. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips.